Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work. And today I will be using really the only sticker collection I've so far created for my February new releases. So these will be out in my shop on Friday, February 10th. But this one was harder for me to make because I really wanted the effects of the dusty pink to be very similar to one of my favorite inks. Sorry, it's rusty pink, but one of my favorite inks is Opera Rose or Rouge d'Encre, those types of dusty pinks, and I really wanted to emulate that in these leaves. So just have a look and like the bits of watercolor effect there, and there's the swatches and the mini leaves. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is actually use the last of Opera Rose that is in here and just go down like this. And what I'm actually really excited for next week is that I am going down to 4 days a week. I will be doing 4 10-hour days. But that will mean that I will have Fridays off, and then I will have a little bit more time to dedicate to my sticker shop, but also to have just a little bit more work-life balance. I think with the hours that I was working and that split shift, I wasn't really getting, it felt like I was just working all the time. Anyway, so there's those. I want to kind of add maybe some washi to go with it. I'm not sure which one though. Probably should have done this beforehand. That will kind of match. Or I actually did a little bit of a stash of some of my washi. I think that might be the best one actually. So let's take the circles. I love that. Place that right there. With a little bit of washi. Where's the end? It's not the exact same shade because this was actually a really difficult color for me to get. Then I will take, do I want the big one? I mean, I don't want to overlap into Thursday, so I'm going to get the smaller one. I love these leaves, and I haven't actually used them in a plan with me as of yet, so I'm glad to be using these today. I have these actually in a variety of different colors, and I love that they also come with the swatches. So for anybody who wants swatches in like a single color, this is a great option as well. Let's put that down with some washi. It looks like it's going to be a very monotone type of spread, but I actually don't mind that. I can always use a really fun ink to go with it, or maybe just black. I don't know, maybe I feel like just doing black. So maybe I'm gonna use a smaller one and actually have it hang upside down. Yeah, there we go. And then take a little bitty one, put one right there, and take another little bitty one, oops, and put it right here. Oh, I really like that. I don't feel like I need to add too much else because I like the simplicity of it, and I really like the colors of it. So instead of using this, because this one is actually almost out of ink, I'm going to write up my meetings with my Platinum 3776, and this has Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi, which is a black ink. So there's my overall finished spread. Very simple, but I really like the neutral colors of these. So once again, these are my rusty pink leaves, and I will be using these in my spreads all of this week. These will be available in my shop on Friday, February 10th. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, I forgot what I usually say at this moment. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.